I'm back with another video, and this one's a very good one. Did you know that you can make money just by copying and pasting pictures, and not just pocket money, but big money? You can make as much as $200 every day with this method. Crazy, right? Yeah, of course. And if you really want to discover this method, then stick around till the end of the video. Make sure to jot things down so you don't forget, or better still, pause the video after each step. Welcome to Flores Online Explains. Subscribe to my channel for information, explanations, and tips to make money online. Don't forget to press the like button and the notification bell. Now let's get into the video. So how does this method actually work? The first step is to go to any website where you can find free pictures without copyright. This isn't difficult to do. Just go on Google and type free photos, and you will find various websites where you can find free pictures. I recommend going to freeimages.com. There you will find thousands of copyright-free images that you can download for free. The only thing you need to check is the image size. After you've verified the image size and are satisfied with the image, the next thing to do is to download the image. You can also try other websites like Vecteezy, FreePic, Morguefile, Pixabay, StockVault, and Pexels. Then, proceed to another website called photofilter.com. This step isn't absolutely necessary, but it might give you an edge. What you're going to do here is to edit the pictures you've downloaded in order to make them more peculiar to you. Now, this is the most important website we're going to be talking about today. The website is called Etsy.com. Selling goods on Etsy is currently one of the more popular side jobs. Etsy is an internet storefront of offering unique products. These could include digital goods, vintage goods, handcrafted goods, and craft supplies. Independent sellers, not big businesses, run the Etsy stores. Almost anyone can launch an Etsy shop today and begin selling. In order to succeed on Etsy, you must have a profitable idea. Sell enough to recoup your expenses and effort. Set up an Etsy store and advertise your store to attract customers. Then adapt to the times by regularly upgrading your store's merchandise and identifying fresh channels for attracting customers. Anyone can make products to sell on Etsy. Making something profitable is the trick. How do you go about that? Starting with a brainstorming session would allow you to generate as many ideas as you can before eliminating the weaker ones. Spending time on Etsy researching, that's the crucial part. Examine comparable products, view various store pages since they began. How many sales have they generated? There must be a market for those things if they're making a ton of sales. Throughout the idea generation process, ask yourself questions. Whom do I want my items to appeal to? Why do they require the products I'm selling? How does it benefit them? Now, how can you set up your Etsy account? It's quite simple to register as an Etsy seller. Just select Sell on Etsy and fill out your name, email address, and password. You can launch your own Etsy shop as soon as you confirm your email address. You can set up your own Etsy store in minutes. What setup must be taken to set it up? Following the setting up of your seller account, Etsy will guide you through the following setup steps. You'll be asked to set your preferences, which involves picking your location, language, and desired currency. You will then be prompted to select your shop name. Follow the on-screen directions, and you come up with your own shop name. Choose a creative or useful name for your business. This is totally up to you as long as the name is available. Next, you'll have to create your first listing. You'll set up your first product for sale here. Ideally, you're ready to launch a product. Fill up the listing form with the information about the item you're selling. A photo, a price, and delivery details. Now, of course, today we're going to be selling pictures, and not just ordinary pictures, but framed pictures. So after you set up your account and downloaded and edited the picture you want to sell, the next step is to place it on a canvas or a t-shirt or a mug, whatever you want. You can place the pictures on anything that will make it even more enticing to people. To do this, head over to Printify.com. Printify is a print-on-demand site that allows you to create your own internet commerce business without keeping any product or inventory in hand. Printify seamlessly integrates with Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, eBay, PrestaShop, or Wix to provide you with a simple shop where you can sell. I urge you to thoroughly explore each store option to choose which one suits you best. I've been an avid user of Etsy for many years, and I'll advise you to open your shop there. You will definitely be comfortable with it. Printify allows you to upload your design onto their design platform so you can see how your design would look on the product before the actual printing. This is very significant because we want to make sure that the designs are the proper size and that nothing will be harmed during the printing process. They have a full tutorial on how to set up your account on the website, so you might want to watch that, but it's very easy to set up. After you set up your account with your email and password, the next thing to do is to click on Design your first product. After that, you can pick any of the options available. For this example, you can pick Home and Living, then pick Canvas. The idea is that we want to design a canvas painting that we can sell to people on Etsy. After you've picked Canvas, click on Start Designing. Now you have to put the image you downloaded and edited into this canvas and make it the appropriate fit. You can also choose from various styles that are available. Now, one of these canvas paintings will cost you around $40, but you can sell it for up to $200 on Etsy. A good thing about Printify is that they'll help you handle shipping. All you have to do is link it to your Etsy account. And whenever someone orders, they will deliver the painting for you, and you'll have your $160 profit. Isn't this a chilled way to earn money? Then lastly, you'll have to set your payment method. You can select how you want to get paid here. In order to pay the Etsy seller fees, you must also choose a billing method. You're done when you click Save. Your own Etsy shop already exists. If necessary, you can go back and add more items for sale. You're well on your way to using Etsy to make money. Now, what are some tips to bear in mind in order to be a successful seller on Etsy? Like anything else, your selling skills will improve the more you learn and develop as an Etsy seller. With Etsy, there is a learning curve, but once you get it, you'll be good to go. You could find a few tools useful both before and after you launch your Etsy store. The Seller Handbook, for example, is a section of the Etsy website. It's jam-packed with articles that sellers will find useful. Successful Etsy store owners write a lot of the articles. Branding and marketing, getting noticed, photography, shipping, and other subjects are just a few of the themes covered. You should also learn how to do proper SEO. Etsy is a search engine, so you need to learn SEO in order to know what most people are searching for, and then proceed to provide it to them. You should also consider advertising. You can advertise on blogs or on your social media accounts. A quick recap before we end the video. First, download free images from freeimages.com, then edit it on photofilters.com. Next, head on to etsy.com and create a seller account. Then sign up with printify.com and frame the pictures, or design them however you want. Link your Printify account to your Etsy account and start making money. What do you think about this method of making money? Let me know down in the comments section.